What if I told you that the secret to a wildly successful TikTok shop business lies not in intuition or guesswork, but in advanced artificial intelligence? A game-changing approach that turns ordinary product hunting into a science. Ready to discover the secrets behind automated passive income? Imagine finding a high-demand, low-saturation product every single time. No more guesswork, no more frustration, just a clear, data-driven pathway to success. Sounds impossible? Let's dive in. Traditional product research for TikTok Shop can be daunting. You're browsing endless lists, searching for a needle in a haystack. Hours, days, sometimes weeks are spent guessing what might work based on gut feelings or outdated trends. A bad guess can mean inventory collecting dust, money wasted, and time lost. In the end, frustration often overshadows success. It's like trying to find the next viral dance without ever having danced a step before. Awkward and painful. But what if you could harness artificial intelligence to turn this messy guesswork into a precise, targeted, and effortless strategy? Disclaimer. Please do your own research and identify tools that matches your preferences. AI doesn't guess, it knows. Advanced algorithms track real-time data across platforms, predict trends, analyze competitor saturation, and even identify gaps in the market. Instead of hoping a product might take off, AI tells you where to focus your energy. And here's how. First, finding winning products with AI. Tool number 1. Sell the Trend. A powerful AI-driven platform that analyzes millions of products, highlights emerging trends, and offers data on market saturation. This tool sifts through social media trends and e-commerce platforms to identify products before they become mainstream, allowing you to catch the wave early. Next, tool number 2, Minea. This tool focuses on TikTok-specific product research. It tracks TikTok ads, identifies high-engagement products, and gives insights on what's currently trending with influencers. Think of it as a spy network for TikTok, helping you uncover hidden gems. And finally, tool number 3, Peakstar, a market analysis AI that evaluates demand by gathering data from TikTok's viral products, reviews customer sentiment, and provides a clear analysis of potential product success. Peakstar helps you find low-saturation, high-potential items quickly. It's like having an army of digital detectives combing the streets for gold, except these detectives never sleep or get distracted by cat videos. Here's the complete roadmap to automating your TikTok shop, from product discovery to scaling your empire. First, let's talk about product discovery. Trendosaur is an AI-based product discovery tool that predicts product trends across global marketplaces. It helps you stay ahead of the curve, ensuring your products are relevant before the market catches on. It's like your personal fortune teller, except it's actually right. Next up is competitor analysis. PipeyAds is a TikTok ad library and analysis platform that lets you see what your competitors are running and where they're getting traction. This gives you a shortcut to find out what's working without trial and error. Then, we have product sourcing and quality control. Source Mogul is an AI-based sourcing tool that helps you find the best suppliers, track competitor prices, and compare product quality. It saves you hours of research and helps you negotiate the best deals. For content creation and marketing, Copy.ai is an AI-powered content generator that crafts engaging product descriptions, social media posts, and ad copy. It adapts its language to your brand's tone and makes content creation almost effortless. And Canva's Magic Resize is an AI-driven graphic design assistant for TikTok ads and product thumbnails. You can instantly create professional-looking visuals that fit perfectly on TikTok. Finally, for sales optimization and scaling, Helium 10 is a comprehensive AI suite that monitors your TikTok shop's performance. It gives insights into customer behavior, product ranking, and sales trends, allowing you to tweak and optimize your strategy continuously. The real magic happens when you can set up this process on autopilot. Imagine your TikTok shop running seamlessly with minimal oversight, generating income while you focus on scaling new ventures. Here's how AI can make it happen. First, automated social media marketing. Use Hootsuite AI for scheduling and optimizing TikTok content at the perfect times for engagement. It analyzes previous post performance and determines when to post for maximum impact. Next, inventory and fulfillment automation. Integrate ShipStation AI for automated inventory management, order fulfillment and shipping. This AI tracks inventory in real time, predicts restocking needs, and handles logistics, reducing manual workload. And finally, customer service automation. Deploy Tidio or Drift to handle customer inquiries, return requests, and FAQs, with personalized, AI-driven responses 24/7, freeing up your time and ensuring customer satisfaction. Think of it as your very own digital minions, working round the clock while you sip coffee. TikTok Shop, powered by AI, isn't just a fleeting opportunity. As the technology advances, AI-driven businesses will only expand. Here's what the future holds and how you can ride the wave to build your automated empire. Experts predict that by 2030, over 70% of e-commerce businesses will utilize AI to optimize product selection and marketing, making traditional methods obsolete. Emerging fields like sustainable products, personalized tech gadgets, and niche-specific accessories are currently low saturation but have high potential due to growing consumer interest. AI will help pinpoint these opportunities. AI tools like Jungle Scout will enable you to scale beyond local markets, identifying international opportunities, pricing strategies, and trends. Imagine running multiple TikTok shops, each in a different niche, all using the same automated strategies. Utilize AI-driven platforms like Share a Sale AI to create automated affiliate networks, generating additional streams of passive income. It's like playing a game where the AI whispers the cheat codes in your ear constantly. The future of TikTok Shop success is not about working harder, it's about working smarter. AI makes this possible, automating your path to financial freedom. Ready to take control of your future? The time to act is now. Subscribe for more groundbreaking insights. Share this video with anyone who's tired of the traditional grind. And leave a comment if you're ready to embrace an AI-powered future.